Is it possible for stay-at-home mom with 3 kids work from home and make decent money? Let's find out. I want to introduce you my friend. She does exactly this thing. Alevtina Lee. She's a successful QA engineer with the company uTest. And today she will tell us, is it possible to become successful a tester on uTest and how you can make it. Hi Alevtina.
Hi.
Thank you for coming. Please, can you tell us a little bit your background?
I came to the United States 8 years ago, and 5 years ago I started my journey as a uTester. So at the beginning I didn't know what it is. I didn't have any IT background. My husband actually introduced me to the uTest, and then little by little I started learning, and I realized that it's something that I can do, and I can do it in the comfort for my home, taking care of my child and making some money.
Who can be testers on uTest?
Anyone can be a tester on the uTest. There is a variety of projects that we have, and actually we need different people with different backgrounds. We need doctors, we need to test medical applications, we need bankers, grocery assistants, we need people who have pets, dogs, cats. We need people with disabilities, because we have a lot of applications right now provide that kind of service, like if you're blind or if you're deaf. Also, if you have kids, if you know many languages, that's a bonus as well. So basically anyone and any age can be a uTester.
Interesting. So what kind of devices you should have in order to become a tester on uTest?
Actually, I think to become a uTester, you already have everything. Basic thing that you need is one device to start. It can be a smartphone that everybody have nowadays.
Mm-hmm.
It can be any model, any OS. Doesn't matter what's the who's making them. Mm-hmm. Any laptop or computer. You can test also on the cars, robot vacuumers and refrigerators, anything that have the applications, you can test on it.
What are the benefits other than flexible schedule and money you can get being a uTester?
This is a good question, because you can earn on the test not only money, but actually you can get the actual devices to test, like the hardware. Sometimes you can get the device that's not even in the store yet, so you kind of like the first experienced user for the device. I personally got Apple TV, Roku. I tested some sound machines, very expensive. Also, because I have kids, I'm testing a lot of baby monitors, so the customers actually send it, and I'm testing them.
Do you need to send it back?
Sometimes you can actually keep them.
Okay.
So, and use them now, kind of like a bonus. Or a lot of the times when the customers need certain device, they can reimburse you. So 100% you can go and buy, and then they will reimburse you the full price.
Oh wow.
So, and there's a lot of interesting projects, like you can order a food in order to test the device, and you can keep that food eventually. Or you can travel. This is also a very interesting experience.
Can you give an example?
The one customers needed a tester to have a flight to another country, stay at the hotel, order food using the application, and then came back. And all the expenses they will reimburse you, and plus they will pay you for the report and the bugs that you eventually find on the application.
What kind of testing? Is it vacation testing? Something like that?
Yes, but yes, it is possible. So when you get to a certain level, you can get interesting projects.
Okay, I want this project. Okay, can you tell about best practices, what testers should do, and bad practices, what testers should not do?
The first thing that comes in my mind actually is you need to be honest. So you don't have to lie that if you don't have certain device, just don't accept the invitation to the cycle. Or if you if you're not living in the country that is required to be, don't say to the customers that you are living there just to get the invitation and just to start working on the cycle and report the bugs. Eventually, maybe second cycle it would be okay, but then it will come to the surface anyway. So, and this is bad because once you get caught on a lie, and then you will get a strike, and you can be banned from the platform. So
yeah, makes sense. How about best practices?
When you participating on a cycle, I would recommend to look what other testers report. If you can't find yourself at the beginning, it's hard because you don't know what to do, or you maybe don't understand. Just look what the other people do, what other testers report. Maybe try to reproduce their bugs as well. uTest provide a feature that you can confirm that if you can reproduce the bug as well. And this will give you a huge experience, and next time maybe on the same project or maybe on the other project, you already know what kind of bugs customers need, and then you already look for those kind of bugs. Everything will be awesome.
Thank you very much.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the interview with Alevtina. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Also put the comment below what kind of interviews or videos would you like to see in this channel. Stay tuned. See you in the next one.